Hello, so today's video we're going to check the master and suite bathroom, what it looks like before and after. So let's check it out. Yes, so this is what the bathroom used to look like. It was small and very basic. Most likely if you are doing a renovation job, it will be very old bathroom. But don't let that scare you. You just need to have an idea of what you want and it can be done, even in small space like this. So you may notice guys that they have used soft carpet for the floor. I think it's a bad idea. If you have soft carpet in your bathroom, get rid of it. It stinks and hold a lot of dirt. In a small and dark bathroom like this with no windows, you will need an efficient ventilation and bright lighting, and that you might need to consider too. Yes, so this requires the proper planning, and hopefully we can achieve that during the renovation. This is it guys, the final reveal. Ta-da! So we have completed the renovation. You may notice guys, we have tiled the floor and the wall with underfloor heating, which can be controlled from here. It has programmed to come on in the morning and in the evenings for a short period of time, and it has holiday mode to switch it off when you are away. I will really recommend that you get underfloor heating if you are renovating your ensuite bathroom. It gives a pleasant warm feeling in the morning. I know you might think your electricity bill might be higher, but I can tell you, since we have been using it, I haven't really noticed an increase in our electricity bill. Well, it's better to have it because you will have the option to switch it on or off. Remember your towel holder and of course a bidet. Storage space is essential, so make sure you get enough storage to accommodate all your bathroom accessories. Heated mirror would keep moisture away while applying your makeup after shower. I think I have never seen fog in this mirror. As a matter of fact, I have never seen steam in this bathroom, and I do take very hot showers. Oh, I think it's the ventilation fan. Yes. We opted for a powerful ventilation fan. It basically sucks the steam away even before it starts to form. That is very essential for such a small space with no windows. Heated towel radiator, don't forget that. And make sure you get the right shower tray that fits your space. Naturally, you will want a bigger shower tray, but you have to remember that it could reduce the space available for other furniture, and you already had a small space to begin with. Mixer shower with full pressure. If you need more space for your soap and shampoo, sometimes it's best to get ready-made one fitted to the corner than to build the space for it in the shower. So always think about the space you have to spare. The shower door prevents water from splashing out of the shower tray. The glass amplifies your space and gives a feeling of luxury. And before I finish this video guys, this is very important, a scented candle holder. I think every ensuite of a master's bedroom needs to have this. Yes, that's it. I guess you will agree with me. It looks beautiful seeing it from the mirror. Anyway guys, Thanks for watching, and watch out for more videos for these home renovation projects. Bye for now.